Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your mirrors. So adjusting your mirrors in your Toyota RAV4, this is what you do. Mirror. This is located on the center console. Driver's steering wheel, driver's seat, scrubs, e-brake, and then you got your gear shift right here, mirrors. So I'm not sure what the bottom and up are, but the left and right. You got left mirror over there and right mirror over there. So you put the left, you want to turn your car on. And then, so down here, it's on left, and I'm going to press this. Now watch. See that? It's moving back and forth. That's how you do that. And the same goes for over here. For that mirror, I put on right, and I can move that. Oh, you can move it up and down. I do know what that means now. I just had a brain. Just the neurons. The neurons weren't firing right. But anyway, so yeah, you got it in the middle, which is nothing, which won't move. It won't move a dang thing. But the left, that'll move the left mirror. So that's how you work the side mirrors. Up, down, left, right, left, down, up. And I don't think you can go diagonal. So that's how you move these little mirrors here. And so that's a real good time. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. And remember, let's get to it. Let's do it. This is Matthumanpizza. Have a great day.